so in this video, I'm gonna show you what tools you need to be able to refresh and do your bearings for your 3000 GT VR4 all-wheel drives rear hubs.
Make sure you have a couple of scrap rags. That's a 27mm socket, a 1 7/8 inch socket, some Scotch-Brite pads, some 000 steel wool comes in handy, brass brush, not a stainless steel brush. You don't want to scratch the insides of the barrel, and the brass will not do that. That brass wheel is actually not really going to be for the inside of the barrel either. It's actually just to secure the Scotch-Brite pad in order to spin it around in there on the end of the drill, which helps to get a lot of the gunk out of there. Those are what the old bearings looked like. They're pretty bad. Those are from the other side, obviously. I also picked up this bearing seating tool. I can put some links for some of this stuff in the description as well if you wanted to grab some of it. The bearing seating tool comes in handy often, especially for like my trailer and things like that.
Bearing actually is way better than the other one. However, when I did the ABS delete,
So the seal was actually not too bad. However, when I did the ABS delete, I actually drilled out the entirety of the ABS sensor because it broke off. And I knew that I was going to be replacing the bearings, so I wasn't too worried about that. But you can see here all of the shavings that came off inside of there. Those are because of that. And now I filled the ABS hole with plugs, so it's all sealed up and everything's watertight now, and that'll never happen again. The WD-40 is less about any sort of rust prevention, but it does help with little bits of surface rust, but it acts as a lubricant for when you put the Brillo pad on the end of the drill and spin it around in there so it doesn't actually mar up anything and it just kind of slides over the surface, and it adds a really good shine to the end. It's almost like polishing. So this is actually just to get the gunk and residue from the WD-40 out of there because you don't actually want it in there. If anything, you just want some light grease in there, but the chamber should be relatively free of contaminants otherwise. Alright, so this video is about 50 minutes long in total. I tried to video the whole thing because I was just going to cut it down and edit it and whatnot, but I figure I'll just have it go at 5 times speed for the rest of the video. You can pause it or drop any questions in the comments if you're unsure as to how something happened, but it's really self-explanatory at this point.
Elite music. Elite music is fire. Elite music.
Alright, and this is the finished product. At this point, you should have a rear hub that lasts you another 30 years. Thanks for watching.